Hey friends, if you wish to find out what startup programs you can disable safely on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you will have to search for startup. Okay. So do we have startup here? If not, go to apps and then go to startup. Okay, so it mentions all startup apps here, but there are a lot of them. So which one can you disable? A few of them are already disabled. Now, anything that is associated with Microsoft should not be disabled. And not only with Microsoft, don't disable the audio drivers, the C Media audio control panel. A lot of audio devices will stop functioning. Microsoft Edge. Now, if you disable it, I'll tell you what could happen when you try to log into Microsoft Edge as a default browser for a lot of things, then it won't work. So if Microsoft Edge is not the default browser, then you can disable it, otherwise enable it. Microsoft OneDrive usually has to be enabled, otherwise all of your desktop and documents and pictures won't sync. But if that is what you want to do, then it's up to you. Microsoft Teams Personal, you can disable it if you want to. And to-do list, you can disable it if you want to. Mobile devices, I usually keep it disabled. Phone link, I should always keep it disabled. If I wish to enable it, it can be done individually. Skype, if you don't disable it, it will launch at startup. Now, if that's what you want, that's a different thing. Okay. Now, terminal, I usually keep it, what do we say, disabled. And third party apps, I specifically keep them disabled unless I want them. So WhatsApp is disabled. Windows security notification icon, I keep it enabled. It doesn't usually disturb you a lot because these days security incidents are there. And when it does disturb you, you might really need to know about it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.